Hey friends, it's Ashley here, and today I'm going to show you how I put together an art journal page that was inspired by some of the products on the Teresa Moxley website. She's doing something really fun this year where she is offering designers a shop front, and they're also collaborating to produce kits for her in my pocket classes. So again, this page that you're going to see me put together here is inspired by and includes products from those designer shops and from her in my pocket class. It also coordinates with a writing prompt from the Ali Edwards Just Right subscription. So I'm not going to show the journaling part. I'm just going to show the art journaling part. Right now on the screen, as you can see, I'm laying down the paint for the base of my page. Lots of packaging technique with watercolors. I'm going to add in some acrylics. You could use kind of any paint supplies that you want for this. I'm also going to add in a ton of splatters and drips and a little bit of painting for shadowing and stuff. But it's an art journal page. There's a lot of doing and not much that needs explaining. So I'm going to set some music up and come back when I start building the rest of my page. So enjoy. Okay, so we're putting together the rest of this art journal page. I cut out all of these hexagons from digital papers. One had a bunch of distressed solid color hexagons, and it was one 12 by 12 page in the Life Stories kit. And then the rest of these hexagons came from Traveler's Notebook papers that were designed by Neffy Zambrano for her new digital shop. It's Neffy Crafts Co. Again, that's on Teresa's site. Links are in the description. I'm adhering them down with matte medium, just kind of in an arrangement that I envisioned of what this page is going to look like. It's not straight, it's not even. That's kind of me. I'm a little bit messy and a little off kilter. So I'm just putting them down in ways that make sense for me. We're going to fast forward here in a minute once these are all down, and I'm going to go through some of the embellishments. Some of them are from the In My Pocket Life Stories kit. These labels were also in there, and before I printed them out, I added the word art from the Just Right subscription. You're going to see me go back and forth with adding more details and finishing touches. Right now I'm water activating a Stabilo pencil to add kind of shadowing and distressing, more mixed media stuff. And I did this treatment to the top and the bottom clusters. One thing I am going to say is that I'm not including the journaling close up for that right hand side. I had free written my response to the prompt separately, and then I kind of edited it to fit this page, and it's a lot. So it took up a ton of time, and this video was already super long. So I'm just going back and forth, adding more splatters, more paint. I think at this point that I'm going to write a quote on my finished background, but that paint pen exploded, and so I'm going to use some of that paint for a even darker black along my layout. And in a second I'll lift up the page and you'll see where I thought I was going to finish before adding the quote. But then I decided that it was a little bit more plain than I was expecting. And I take some more of that black pen and black paint pen ink and some other, then a pen, and freehand some hexagon shapes, which you'll see at the end for the close-up the close-up photos, excuse me. You can also see more of my process on Teresa's blog today as well, and I will link that below. Right now I'm using just a brush pen to write a quote that says, "Do not fear to step into the unknown, for where there is risk, there is also reward," and it matches with my journaling. So as we finish up, I hope you like this video, subscribe, check out the links below, leave comments. Thanks for checking it out. Bye.